Hi guys, this is Devojyoti here and hope you guys are doing well. And over here I have 3 regular size Domino's pizza at rupees 87 only. Yeah, you heard it right. It's for rupees 87 only. Here is the bill guys, and as you can see the actual price of 3 pizza is 387 rupees. So basically I had to pay almost 30 rupees for each pizza. And if you want to know how I got the Domino's voucher, watch till the end. Over here we have the veg loaded pizza of regular size whose actual price is 135 rupees plus tax. The pizza is loaded with capsicum, jalapenos, mushroom, tomato corns and olives, and the pizza is baked perfectly with generous amounts of cheese. Each pizza box is accompanied by 2 sachets of oregano and chili flakes.
Wow.
Over here we have the regular size non-veg pizza and its actual price is 155 rupees plus tax. The pizza has got some weight to it due to different types of toppings like barbecue chicken strips, chicken rashers, spicy chicken sausages and chicken pepperoni. Domino's have a very fast delivery service, I must say, and within 22 minutes of placing the order they delivered the pizzas. But one thing I didn't like about their pizzas is the stretchy effect of mozzarella cheese which we generally see in Pizza Hut and other brands. I was missing that because Domino's uses liquid cheese in the lower variants of their pizzas.
This one also tastes very delicious. But somehow the veg loaded pizza tasted a little better than the non-veg one. I don't know why.
Lastly, we have the golden corn pizza, which is cheapest pizza in the menu of Domino's, and it costs 79 rupees only. It's a very basic pizza with corn and generous amounts of liquid cheese, and it tasted nice.
This one also tastes delicious. So thanks for watching this short video, and I will be posting new videos on every Tuesday and Friday. Bye bye.
So if you are an online shopper like me and use flipkart.com for shopping, Flipkart rewards with 5 super coins for every 100 rupees to Flipkart Plus members. And with those coins one can do multiple things, but as I am a foodie I decided to buy Domino's voucher. So using 250 super coins I got 300 rupees voucher. So for the total bill of 387 rupees for 3 pizza I had to pay only 87 rupees. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will meet you in the next one.